Bagay na, ayoko na.
Okay.
Hey guys! Today we're gonna talk about one of the most legendary Pinoy brands ever. Jollibee! Super exciting ito. And I can't wait to share my thoughts with you guys. So, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara, samahan nyo ako and let's see how Jollibee became such a big name here and abroad. Dito sa Pilipinas, Jollibee isn't just a fast food. It's part of our culture. Imagine, halos lahat ng sulok may brunch na. They have mastered the formula. Masarap, family-friendly, abot kaya. Kaya naman, kahit may malalakas na kalaban like McDo, KFC, Jollibee still leads the quick service market. And the vibe, hindi lang pagkain. It's memories with family and friends over Chicken Joy, Jolly Spaghetti, at Burger Steaks. Talagang number one sa puso ng mga Pinoy. When JFC acquired Greenwich, Chowking, and Delifrance, it wasn't just about shopping for brands. Para silang nag-expand ng universe nila. These acquisitions allowed JFC to tap into different customer segments and highlight their strong management capabilities. Pero overall, strategy didn't weaken the Jollibee concept. Instead, mas lumakas pa sila because their portfolio became more diversified and adaptable to various markets. Ako, I only need 3 things: affordable, tasty, and easy to reach. Yan ang rationale. And guess what? Jollibee checks all the boxes. Compared to McDo, mas lasang Pinoy at mas pampamilya ang vibe ng Jollibee. Parang may hug sa bawat chicken. Aww. JFC performance overseas has been mixed. Their strength lies in adopting to local tastes. For instance, etong peach mango pie, it became popular kahit sa non-Filipinos. The challenge is to localize menus and marketing for each country while keeping that Pinoy heart intact. So yes, JFC should modify strategies to suit foreign markets. Pero dapat hindi mawala yung Filipino essence that makes Jollibee unique worldwide. For me, yes, keep the strong home base pero tuloy ang global expansion. And nakaka-proud to see a Pinoy brand competing worldwide. So that's it. That's my take on Jollibee Foods Corporation. Sobrang inspiring to see a brand na lumaki with us now, making waves abroad. Thank you for watching. And now, see you sa inyo nag-crave sa Chicken Joy.